In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images and icons from a Figma design template. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open up the Figma file that contains the images or icons you wish to download. It's important to navigate to the specific file you want, as this will make sure you are working with the right design elements. If you haven't already opened Figma, just go to their website and log in. Once you have it up, find the project and click on the file. Now that you have the right file open, the next step is to select the specific frame you want to download. Frames can be thought of as containers in Figma that hold your designs. Once you've selected the frame, take a look at the right-hand panel in your Figma window. You will see various options there. Look for the one labeled Export. This option can usually be found towards the bottom of the panel. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Just scroll down a bit and you'll find it. Once you've located the Export option, moving on to the next step is simple. Here, you can choose the file type you need. Figma allows you to export your designs in various formats, including PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG. Make sure to select the format that best suits your needs. If you're unsure what format you should choose, PNG is a great all-around option because it supports transparency, which can be useful for icons. JPEG is excellent for photos where you may not need transparency. On the other hand, SVG is perfect for scalable graphics since it maintains quality at any size, and PDF is great for print. After you've made your selection, it's time for the final push. Click on the Export button next to your frame name. This will begin the download process. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to choose where to save the file on your computer. Select the destination that you prefer and click Save. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded images and icons from your Figma design template. If you're regularly working on design projects, mastering this process can really streamline how you share assets with your team or clients. Remember, Figma offers so many tools and features, and downloading images is just one of the many things you can do. It's worth exploring more if you're looking to enhance your design skills further. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to download images and icons from a Figma design template. If you have any questions or run into issues along the way, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on design and productivity. Happy designing!